How do you add a tour or guide to your WordPress website so you could do a presentation or demonstration of your site? I'm going to use the WordPress plugin that I created since I wasn't happy with other plugins out there for my needs. So go to the Add New Plugin page on the admin dashboard of your site and search for Custom User Guide. Go to the second page and find the Custom User Guide plugin. Click Install and activate it. And then refresh the page. You will be navigated to the main page of the plugin. So first, we need to create a guide. Give the guide a name and choose whether you want it to be active on desktop, mobile, or both. Choose whether it will run on the client site, i.e., front end, or the admin dashboard. In the page URL field, specify the URL where the guide will start. For example, if you specify the homepage URL, the guide will start only on the homepage, or if you keep it blank, the guide can be launched on any page. Next, choose whether the guide should start automatically upon loading a page or upon clicking on some element on a page, and then select the target element, which will trigger the launch of the guide. You will notice the floating toggle switch to switch between the browse mode, which allows you browse through pages, and the select mode to select the target element. In the Roles Able to See It field, specify the roles that can see the guide. In the GUI tab, you can set the overlay opacity, whether you'd like to show the title, the colors on the guide, and customize all the other elements of the guide. Click Save. After saving a guide, the steps for the guide will appear on the right side, where you can add as many steps as needed. Enter the title of the first step. Choose the tooltip position in relation to the target element that is being highlighted, and then choose the target element. Next, type the description. You can also use the editor to use HTML style and add images or videos to the description. Select whether the step will have the overlay mask in the background. The page field will be filled automatically upon selecting the target element and will be whatever URL of the page where the target element is selected. And then you can customize the buttons in this step, i.e., whether you want to show them or not, and the captions of the buttons. Click Save. Let's add a second step. In the Advanced tab, you can set the nub position and customize the tooltip width. Let's add one more step with a different style. The free position means that the tooltip will be shown in the center of the page without pointing at any element, so no need to select any target element. Now let's see how our guide looks. As we specified, the guide will start when clicking on the mortarboard icon. The last step is a free position modal window which doesn't point at any element.